Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ulf Pape from Berlin and I have been teaching creative techniques and applications to medical massage and physiotherapists, physicians and osteopaths for more than 20 years. On this channel you can find a variety of free of charge tutorials in different languages. If you like my channel, please subscribe. This particular tutorial is about an ingenious partner massage for the back. First, rub the massage lotion or oil into your hands. Then slowly make contact with your hand. Make sure that your body's center of gravity is above your partner and that you are breathing deeply and relaxed. Keep your back straight and your shoulders loose. On the first maneuver, you perform strokes that resemble swimming movements. Move your hands up bilaterally next to her spine and then over her shoulders. Bring your hands back sideways over the intercostal muscles. Do this technique about 5 times. Move as fluidly as water. And slide your hands back over her arms. Repeat the maneuvers but release more power from your center of gravity. Only a few massage therapists consistently work out their body's center of gravity. If you practice this consistently, you will soon be one of the best. The next technique is similar to painting with a wallpaper brush. Slide backs of your hands next to her spine up to her neck. Then use the palms of your hands to glide back over the sacrum. Perform these techniques 5 times. Massage techniques of the gluteal muscles follow in the next maneuvers. You can find a detailed tutorial on my channel, so follow me as a subscriber. Thank you for your attention.